How to check WhatsApp data uses. So let's get started. Whether you are on your limited data plan or just curious, checking WhatsApp uses helps you control mobile data, Wi-Fi uses, and storage space. To do that, open WhatsApp, tap the three dots in the top right corner. From here, tap onto your settings and you will be able to see the storage and data option. Tap on it. Here you will see a details data like message sent or received, media byte sent or receives, call data uses, Google Drive backup uses, and total data used on mobile or Wi-Fi. It's a full breakdown of everything WhatsApp has used. You can tap onto the manage storage option. You will see chats lists by who takes up the more space. And that's how you check your WhatsApp data uses like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Stay connected, stay.